everyone, we are from Group 4 that include of me, Bima, Wicaksono, Andreas, Wahyu, Prabowo, Daniel Laki, and Putriahyana Sucianingrum. Now, our group will introduce you our teaching media. We call this media as dice and stick.
The purpose of this teaching media is to improve the speaking and listening skills of the students, and also to enrich their vocabulary. If you want to make the students more excited before the beginning of the teaching activity, you can use a noise breaking activity.
Hello, I would like to tell you about what should you do and shouldn't do in this activity. The basic rules of this activity is you roll the dice and pick up a card for doing the activity. The next is what you shouldn't do in this activity. The first one is remember, don't cheat. You are allowed to pick up a card you very want in the very first activity. And second is please remember, don't pick double scoring stick or cards.
The first thing, you should make a dice like this. First, you should make a dice that contains of 6 different instructions. For example, antonym, make a sentence, act it out, and synonym, fortunately, unfortunately, and describe it. Second thing, you should make a card like this. This card contains of words from different parts of speech. And this card also contains of picture. The last thing, you need to make a scoring sticks like this. You should write a different score for every stick. And to make it more interesting, you can give a color. Next, we want to tell you how to use this media.
Now, I will explain about the steps to use this teaching media. Let's go! First, you need to prepare the media. We have vocabulary cards, and then we have the dice, and the last, we need our scoring sticks. Step 2. We need to divide our class into several groups. One group consists of 4 or 5 students. Don't forget to tell them about the do's and don'ts. Now, the first student in the group will take turn. First, roll the dice. It says, make a sentence. Next, you should take the card randomly. I got sunset. So, the student should make a sentence with this word, sunset. I love sunset, or sunset is beautiful. If the student did a great job, they will get a reward with these scoring sticks. What did I get? 2 points.
풀보는 악플이 좋아 난 널 몰라 다시 넘어
Roll the dice again. We got X it out. Then we should choose the card again. Cry. So we should act like someone is crying. You need to make it naturally. For example, so everybody should take turns as fast as possible because at the end of the class we need to collect this score. For the student with the last score, they will get punishment. So be careful.
It will be better if you guys start this activity with an ice-breaking or play activity that related with this game in order to introduce the student with some vocabularies that will be used in this activity.
At the end of the class, don't forget to ask the students about what they've got from this activity. Do question and answer section to make sure that the students understand about the material. Okay guys, that's all from us. We hope that this video will be really useful for you. Comments are really appreciated in order to improve our media or our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and like this video. See you at the next video.
Bye!